So this is my final project, interactive learning platform for Python designed for beginners. In the menu, I have 4 buttons. The first one is About. It describes the uniqueness of this project. So the uniqueness of this project is Python-related lessons, where topics up to the midterm 1 are covered. For example, we go to lesson 2. We have some information on ranges. We test our knowledge that we got. If we press correct button, it says well done. Otherwise, try again. We go back and we have interaction in these lessons. After each set of lessons, a game is available. For example, after lesson 4, the game is available, which is shooting monsters. When I reach 15 points, I am a winner. If they reach me, I lose. So after 8th lesson, I have the same game available, but a bit harder, with speed increase. And the last level of the game is available at 12th lesson with very high speed. I go back. Another feature is PyBot, which is personal voice assistant for additional help in learning. It answers Python-related questions, search for information in Wikipedia. If not found on Wikipedia, opens Google, and creates a Python file, writes in it, and saves the file.
Good morning. I am PyBot. What can I help you with?
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Good, and you?
I am doing well. Thank you.
What is Python?
Processing your request. Wait, maybe it's in Wikipedia. Python is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language.
Create a file.
What would you like me to write down?
This class is amazing.
I have created a note on that.
Open lecture website.
Opening 15.1.12 website.
Play a song.
I like your music preferences.
Who is the best professor?
It's obvious. He is watching this video with you right now.
Goodbye.
Processing your request. There is nothing in Wikipedia, but Professor Google knows everything.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great day.